How did northern businesses transition to Civil War production? Imagine a nation on the brink of war, with factories ready to change their purpose overnight. That's exactly what happened in the North during the Civil War. Before the conflict, the North already had a strong industrial base, producing about 90% of the country's manufactured goods. This included textiles, iron, and weapons. When the war started, these factories didn't just stop what they were doing. Instead, they quickly shifted gears to meet the huge demand for military supplies. Factories that once made cloth for clothing started producing uniforms. Ironworks began manufacturing cannons and gun parts. Leather shops turned into producers of boots and belts for soldiers. This rapid change was made possible because northern industries had the capacity and infrastructure already in place. They had large factories, skilled workers, and transportation systems that could handle the increased output. Transportation played a big role in this transition. The North had an extensive railroad network that moved raw materials to factories and shipped finished goods to the front lines. The government even created the United States military railroads to build and operate rail lines specifically for military use. This made it easier to get supplies where they were needed most and kept the armies supplied. The government also supported this shift through policies and contracts. Congress passed laws to support industries financially and awarded contracts for raw materials. This helped factories expand and modernize their equipment. Many factories adopted new techniques like assembly lines and standardized parts, which made production faster and more efficient. The workforce also changed to meet new needs. While many men enlisted in the army, women and immigrants stepped into factory jobs. Women worked in textile mills and munitions factories, keeping production high. Immigrants from Europe filled many of the labor gaps, ensuring factories kept running smoothly. This period saw a big push toward technological innovation. Factories improved their manufacturing methods, making guns, uniforms, and supplies faster and in larger quantities. The northern economy shifted from mainly agricultural to heavily industrialized, focusing on producing everything needed for the war effort. In the end, northern businesses managed this transition by building on their pre-war industrial strength, expanding their manufacturing capacity, and using their transportation networks wisely. The government's support and the adaptability of the workforce helped turn northern factories into production hubs. This transformation was vital for the Union's ability to sustain a long and costly conflict, setting the stage for a more modern economy after the war ended.